I think I've been a lifelong entrepreneur. I've started lots of other small companies, and this is one of the first ones that all the pieces are kind of working together. We have a great product, a great team. I know how to sell it. I know how to represent. I know why it's important, and I know how to make sure that everything is running the right way. I've started other businesses before, and this is the first one that actually all the pieces are working together. We have a great product. I'm able to represent it. I'm able to keep everybody moving in the right direction. It's the first one that we're selling out. Our people are really interested in what we're doing, and we have a long line of people who want to work for us also. It's just an all-around great feeling. And other businesses that I've started before, they had a good product, but I wasn't able to sell it, or I was able to finally sell it, but we didn't have a good product. So this is something that's, all the pieces are finally together. I have some friends in the facility space in New York City, and I always knew it was a good business. And so I started a website, people started calling, and then I wasn't able to kind of turn off the flow after that. I recognized that there was a really big need for cleaning companies who care a little bit more about the client, who care about the workers, and putting all those things together is, like a magical experience for all of us. I'm really able to give people jobs, and it feels really, kind of important to do that. It wasn't something that I've experienced before to have over 20 employees, and it's something that you don't really learn about in business school, like kind of how to put all the pieces together. Business school is kind of, one little topic at a time, and this was all the pieces live all the time with no kind of schedule, and it's all just kind of thrown at you. One client's unhappy about this, one customer's, new requests, some supervisor needs something, all of it's happening at once, and there's no right way to deal with it. It's just whatever we think, but it's working, and I'm really happy to be able to do what I'm doing. This is pretty different because there's a really big need for it. I am not fighting the market. You need it every single night. There's thousands and thousands and thousands of offices across New York City and Miami who are looking for a quality vendor. Most vendors take the easy way out. They don't hire their own employees. They sub out the work. They don't really care about the client, and we're just kind of doing it slow and the right way, like the right way that you expect when you hire a cleaning company for your office. You expect the person who you meet is very closely related to the person who's going to come clean your office, and that's how it is with us, but it's not the way that it is with most of the large other cleaning companies. And we just take a different approach. We just slow and the right way. We write down exactly what we're supposed to get done. We keep track of our employees. We overpay them, and they do a good job because they want to stay with us, and we want them to stay with us, and the clients want us to stay long term, and that's what's been going on at Park Slope for the last 5 years.